Did this robot just go viral? A brand new demo just dropped, and it's got the internet doing a double take. Lumos Robotics has officially launched the next evolution of its humanoid line, Luce 2. But this isn't your average robotic upgrade. This machine didn't get attention because of a flashy design or fancy moves. It's going viral because of what it did and how fast it did it. Luce 2 doesn't walk onto the stage. It springs to life, literally. From a completely flat position on its back, it shoots up to a full standing posture in just 1 second. No supports, no cables, no slow, awkward unfolding of limbs, just a clean, human-like move that feels more like a stuntman in a movie. Yes, I am talking about you, Tom Cruise, than a machine built in a lab. And that's why people are freaking out. The scene everyone's talking about. The robot is lying down, completely still, as if it is powered off. And then it lifts itself into a standing position faster than most humans can manage after falling down. There's no lag, no visible stumble. It happens so quickly you actually have to go back to the video to see how it pulled it off. And what makes it even crazier is this. Most humanoid robots, they struggle with this exact move. It's the major problem of robotics, getting off the floor. Some need external support, others take a multi-stage route just to sit up. But Luce 2, it made standing up look like a reflex. Why this move is a milestone. Now, maybe you're wondering, what's the big deal about standing up fast? You see, this is more than just a funny trick. What you're seeing isn't just speed. It's actually whole body coordination in real time. The kind of internal calculation a human does unconsciously when bracing to leap or dodge. Think of all the calculations. Weight distribution, balance correction, limb control, all done in seconds. Luce 2 isn't just adjusting to a sequence, it's dynamically moving every part of its body while in motion. That's actually the leap we're witnessing here. Why agility is the final frontier. For decades, robotics engineers have had the challenge of walking, running, climbing. We've seen robots shuffle forward, climb stairs, even do backflips in controlled environments. But Luce 2's move, it signals something else. It shows that true agility is finally within reach. And here's the best part. It's not just about moving. It's about adapting, recovering, and doing it fast. And in the world of humanoids, that changes everything. Lumos Robotics, the Underdog no more. If you haven't heard of Lumos Robotics, you're not alone. They're not yet in the same global reach as Tesla, Boston Dynamics, or Figure AI. But that might be about to change. Lumos has been quietly working in the background. Their first model, Luce 1, already impressed insiders with decent movement capabilities and human-like articulation. But Luce 2, this is a breakout performance. From its frame design to actuator responsiveness, Luce 2 appears built from the ground up to prioritize fast twitch motion, energy efficiency, and seamless control. You can see the difference in the way it absorbs tension and redirects force. The design looks leaner, smarter, and frankly, it seems more alive. The brain behind the moves. So, what's powering this flexibility? Early reports suggest Luce 2 runs on a motion intelligence system that fuses internal sensing, like proprioception, with external data, visual and spatial awareness. In simple words, the robot knows where all its parts are in 3D space and how its surroundings might impact movement. The result? It senses how much force each limb exerts. It adapts if the floor shifts under it. It recalibrates instantly mid-motion. That's how it avoids falling over. That's how it stands up like a martial artist reacting to a fall. This kind of reactive control, which is powered by neural-like algorithms, is what sets Luce 2 apart from dancing robots and scripted performers. A step toward lifelike machines. So are we inching closer to humanoids that not only look real, but also move with purpose and intelligence? The answer feels more like yes than ever before. Luce 2 shows us a future where robots don't just navigate the world, they interact with it smoothly, gracefully, almost instinctively. We're no longer asking if a robot can walk or lift a box. We're now asking, can it recover from falling? Can it adapt without intervention? That's the line Luce 2 is crossing. In a world of giants, Tesla Atlas Figure AI. Make no mistake, Lumos isn't alone, by the way. Tesla's Optimus is learning how to navigate factories with real-time object tracking. Boston Dynamics just upgraded Atlas with more lifelike situational mobility. Figure AI is racing toward mass deployment in logistics and manufacturing. But Luz 2, it's doing something even those big players haven't shown yet. True ground recovery with athletic precision. I don't know about you, but I feel like Luz 2 is coming out on the top because it is fast, smart, and resilient, where agility equals survival. So you might be thinking, why does any of this matter? Because in real-world scenarios, warehouses, homes, hospitals, robots fall. They lose their balance and are bumped or thrown off. But Luz 2 resets, and in places like disaster zones, war-torn areas, remote medical outposts, a robot that can get itself up instantly without help is a necessity. It moves like it means it. And then there's the emotional reaction. Watching Luz 2 isn't just impressive, it's pretty unsettling. There's a rhythm to its movement. No mechanical stutter and no awkward pauses. It stands fast, with intention, with flow. For a moment, you forget you're watching a robot. Your brain almost believes it's seeing a living thing. That's the power of movement done right. Design that doesn't say robot. Luz 2 doesn't overdo the humanoid look. It's clean, minimalist, functional. Its proportions feel balanced, not cartoonish. Every motion seems purposeful, without unnecessary flash or flare. What comes after the leap? Lumos hasn't laid out a full roadmap for Luz 2 yet, but it's clear this robot wasn't made just for YouTube fame. There are strong signs that Luz 2 is being tested for real-world assistance in elderly care, smart home systems, collaborative factory floors, hospital logistics. Even more intriguing, whispers of large language model integration. If true, that means Luz 2 isn't just fast, it might soon understand what you're saying and respond with movement. What people are saying. Online reactions are coming, and they're exactly what you'd expect from people watching this robot. That robot gets up faster than I do after leg day. Pretty sure it's training for MMA. Nope, not sleeping tonight. That thing moves like it knows what fear is. Cool. But can it make pancakes? Incredible tech, but someone please keep it away from Boston Dynamics after dark. The moment we remember. Here's the thing, not every robot moment goes viral or makes the headlines, but some do. Atlas backflipping, Spot doing parkour, those are viral all over the internet. At least for me, the backflip is the best part, and Luz 2's 1-second stand-up, that's joining the list, I think. The robot that didn't need help. Luz 2 didn't just get up fast. It did it like it meant it, with a lot of grace and awareness. This is what the new wave of robotics looks like. And the best part? Everyone else now has to catch up. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more info on AI robot